Hello guys, we are joining with the Electrovibe channel with another exciting project. So this project is about, actually you can see it from the background, it's about the Obo car. So I have the Obo car with me here. So yeah, when talking about the Obo car, we have done some things with the Obo car before as well. As I can remember, yeah. So this will be the first project that I'm gonna use the wheels of the Obo car. So here you can see there are some motors in the Obo car, and so we can control them by codings and stuff. So this Obo car has a gear system motors, two motors actually. So yeah, actually I was planning to do this project like long ago, but actually I broke the Obo car and gave it to repair, and it got some days and I was busy, so I wasn't able to do a video. Like, yeah, this is the, and I need to mention this is the first video that I'm doing the 2026 in the new year, and a happy new year to all of you guys. Yeah, so back to the topic. So in this Obo car there are two geared motor systems, and yeah, so that means there are two wheels rotating, and one in the front we have a wheel that's rotating, like it's like a three-wheeler. So yeah, and here, like, the things we need to do is first initializing the Obo car by having the move forward functions, move backward functions, and then the turn left, turn right functions. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and search as the Obo car SDK. So then you can get the code of the Obo car. I'll like pin the comment, and in the description I'll keep the Google Drive with those documents. You can like use them as well without googling. And yeah, so, and then I did the move left, turn right, and move forward, move backwards things, and initialize the Obo car. So in the first like before breaking the Obo car, the all was fine. After I broke the Obo car and after I get from the repair, like there was some problems in the Obo car. Not actually problem, that's a common issue with those gear motors. So like one and each other doesn't work as same as the other motor, because there are some gears here, like they might be cracked, like they, like, physics. So according to physics, like those cannot move as same as the other if the components are same. So in this case, like I the issue I got is the like when moving forward from the full speed, it's turning left. It's because one motor is going fast and others bit slower. So I found out that in my Obo car, the right motor like bit laggier. So what I did is I reduced the speed of the left motor as well to match the right motor's speed. So how I did is, like, I run the Obo car from different speeds, different values, and then I got the, like, the, not the exact number, the nearest number that when the Obo car move forward. So I edit the Obo car SDK as well. If you guys need how to edit that Obo car file, the Python file, let me know in the comments. I'll bring a video of that as well, letting you guys know how to configure the Obo car with the motors. Like if your Obo car also have that issue with the motors, actually that's a common issue, so comment below, so I'll bring that video as well if you guys need. And yeah, then the first, like, initial task that I had to do is move in a square. So what I did is I moved forward, then turn left. So turning left, how this thing turn left is, like you can see, actually there's no steering wheel or kind thing. So how it moves is, like if you need to turn left, there are two ways that you can do it. You can either move the left motor forward and right motor backward, so it's kind like spin in its like place. And the other way is, you can like keep still the right motor and move only the left motor, so it will like move in a circle like this. Okay, so like I use the second method, so I stop the right motor and move the left motor, so it like spinned. So what I had to do is move in a square. Square has four corners that are 90 degrees. So like to find the nearest value to the 90 degrees, like how I did is, like when turning the left motor, I had to like, it's like the loops are, we can set loops for running for a like exact time. So I measured the time it's like getting turned 90 degrees and put that, so it turned 90 degrees. And then like same thing repeats for the four times for to draw a square. Move forward, turn right, and then turn again, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right. Yeah, four things repeat. So actually I think I messed up something. I said turn left, we have to move the left motor. No, to turn right, we have to move the left motor and cut out the right motor. That's how I did it. So yeah. And then there was a bonus stars that like we can use in real life. This task was actually to get understand about the autonomous cars. So the second challenge was the speed challenge. So actually it's a bonus task. So speed challenge is like you are starting from a slower speed and then increase it up, and again reduce it and come to a full stop. So like it's how autonomous cars work. Like there are some big companies in the world that make autonomous cars, and yeah, actually that's a like very advanced thing that we can do from the Obo car. Actually it's a simple code, but it's a very useful thing in the life. So I'll add the video clips of moving square and moving like that speed challenge videos, so now you can see them. First we'll watch how the Obo car moves in a square. So now you can see it's moving in a square, and yeah, I used a pen as well to draw its path. So yeah, this is another clip how it moves in a square. So it's moving forward, taking a 90 turn and repeating it 4 times. Okay, now it came to a stop, and this is the video of the speed challenge. So yeah, it uses OLED as well to display the information. Yeah, it increases the speed and reduces it and comes to a full stop. Back to the video. Okay, I think you saw the videos. Then like we'll talk a little bit about this speed challenge. So like in this speed challenge, I started from a lower value. So those motors can get values up to 512. So I start from like a value of the 350 because of that failure of my motors. So like if you are trying it to do, like you can, if your motors are fine, you can start it from around 200. Yeah, and then come a full stop. I reduced this. I went all the up to 512 and stayed a little bit in that speed, and then reduce it. So when after reducing, like without reducing it and coming to a stop, I did a little like advanced thing. So it's gonna reduce its speeds until like it's kind of stopping, but it's sliding. Like when we stop a car, it's go like little bit sliding before stopping uh, all the wheels spinning. So to avoid that little bit of sliding, actually that's very important in a serious, like those things can actually in the real life can stop a crash, like save a person's life actually. So like to come to a full stop, what I did is I added a move backward function for a like quarter of a second. So actually you can't see it's moving backward, but like when moving forward we had a backward function as well. Like those momentums crash and the vehicle comes to a like to a full stop. So yeah, I think you saw like it's bang on stop in the video as well. I think you saw it. So like that's a simple explanation about the Rev the Wheels challenge that I did on this day. Yeah, actually there's some advanced and some new things to learn as well. So I might be bring a second video of this as well, explaining the codes and stuff. Stay tuned with the Electroid channel to see those videos as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.